Ever wonder how millions of these jolly chocolate Santas are made just in time for the holidays? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to...
It all begins with the heart of chocolate, the cocoa bean, sourced from the finest equatorial farms.
Here, tons of raw ingredients are stored in a climate-controlled environment, ready for production. First, the beans undergo a thorough cleaning process to ensure purity.
Next is roasting. This critical step develops the complex flavors and aromas we associate with chocolate.
Once roasted to perfection, they are quickly cooled to halt the cooking process. Winnowing separates the outer shell from the valuable inner part, known as the cocoa nib.
These nibs are the essence of our chocolate.
The nibs are then ground into a thick paste called cocoa liquor. Despite the name, it contains no alcohol.
Part of this liquor is pressed to extract pure cocoa butter, a vital ingredient for that smooth, melt-in-your-mouth texture.
Every stage is monitored digitally to guarantee consistency. Meanwhile, other key ingredients like sugar and milk powder are weighed with precision. Now, all our prepared ingredients are ready to be combined.
The magic of chocolate making is about to begin.
In these giant mixers, the ingredients are blended together to form a preliminary chocolate paste.
This mixture then passes through refiners, which grind the particles down until they are so small the tongue can't detect them.
The next step is conching, a process of continuous kneading and aerating that can last for hours.
Conching removes any remaining bitterness and develops the final, signature flavor and silky texture.
Experts continually sample the chocolate to ensure it meets our exacting standards.
This transformation is what gives high-quality chocolate its luxurious feel. Now for the most crucial step for a perfect finish: tempering.
Tempering is a precise heating and cooling cycle that aligns the crystals in the cocoa butter.
This process is computer-controlled to ensure absolute precision.
Proper tempering is the secret to the chocolate's glossy shine, satisfying snap, and smooth melt. This liquid gold is now ready to take its festive shape.
From here, it's piped directly to the molding stations.
The stage is set for our Santas to be born.
The process begins with these highly detailed, two-part polycarbonate molds.
The molds are pre-warmed to prevent the chocolate from setting too quickly and causing imperfections.
A depositing machine fills each mold with a precise volume of liquid chocolate. The two halves are immediately sealed together. To create a hollow Santa, the molds enter a centrifugal spinner.
This spinning action uses centrifugal force to spread the chocolate evenly, creating a uniform shell.
This ensures every detail, from the twinkle in his eye to the fur on his coat, is perfectly formed.
The thickness of the shell is determined by the amount of chocolate and the speed of the spin. Once the coating is complete, the molds are moved to the next stage. They now enter a long cooling tunnel to allow the chocolate to set completely.
The gradual cooling process is essential for the chocolate to shrink slightly, making it easier to remove from the mold.
This contraction is a sign of perfectly tempered chocolate.
After their journey through the cold, our Santas are fully solidified. A gentle tap helps to loosen the chocolate figure inside.
And there he is, a perfect hollow chocolate Santa.
While these Santas are hollow, other lines produce solid figures using a similar but non-spinning process.
Thousands of Santas are produced every hour, all identical and perfect.
The molds are then washed and sterilized, ready to create the next batch.
Before wrapping, some Santas receive special decorative touches, like an edible shimmer to highlight details.
Now, it's time for them to get dressed in their iconic festive foil.
This incredible machine can wrap hundreds of Santas per minute.
It carefully molds the foil to every contour, preserving the shape and detail underneath.
What a sight! A sea of Santas, ready for the holidays.
They are then carefully placed into their final retail packaging. Different packaging formats are used for various markets and retailers.
Robotics handle the heavy lifting, packing the individual units into shipping cartons. This entire process, from demolding to packing, is a marvel of modern automation.
But before anything leaves the factory, it must pass a final, rigorous quality check.
They check for the signature snap, the glossy finish, and of course, the taste.
Every carton passes through metal detectors and X-ray scanners as a final safety measure. And automatic scales ensure every box has the correct count.
Once cleared, the cartons are stacked onto pallets by a robotic palletizer.
The pallets are shrink-wrapped for stability and protection during transit. From here, they are moved to the distribution center. Thousands of pallets, representing millions of chocolate Santas, wait to begin their journey to stores around the world. Soon, they'll be on their way to bring a little bit of chocolatey joy to your holiday season.
So the next time you unwrap a chocolate Santa, you'll know the incredible journey of precision, care, and holiday magic that went into it.
If you enjoyed this look inside our factory, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing How It's Made videos.